This is how most people go about attempting to get deals, or some variation. First, you perform detailed due diligence, then you come up with a solid offer price, then you make the offer hoping to get the contract. That process just seems natural. I mean, if you're gonna execute a contract with a seller, you wanna make sure it's a good deal and you feel really good about the price. That makes sense. But there are two fundamental problems with this approach. The first problem with due diligence first, contract second, is it's extremely time consuming. Think about all of the time it takes to meet at the property, run comps, and the most time consuming of all is calculating repairs. Proper due diligence on a property takes about 6 hours on average. That's a lot of time. And what if you do all of that due diligence just to make the offer and the seller rejects it? The second problem with performing due diligence first, then getting the contract, is you'll lose deals to your competition. In most cases, speed is the name of the game. Oftentimes, the first one to make an offer gets the contract and wins the deal. There's a saying in wholesale real estate, time kills all deals.